What's up YouTube? My name's Jimmy. This is Fare from Scratch and today we're going to be making fried pickles. So to start our fried pickles off, we're going to make our batter. And we're just going to add some flour, some Italian seasoning, garlic powder, salt and pepper into a bowl and just give that a nice mix. Now that we get our dry ingredients mixed up, we're going to add our wet ingredients. And really all that is some water and hot sauce. Now the hot sauce we're using, we actually made in a prior video. It's a cayenne pepper hot sauce, and this is actually the first time I was using it since we made it. I will put a link to that video in the description if you're interested in that hot sauce. So the most important ingredient is our pickles. And you really want to use a sour pickle here to contrast the sweetness that we're going to have from our batter. So here I just used a classic dill pickle. And I actually didn't like how thin my batter was, so I just added a little flour to it. Now our pickles are ready to be added to our vegetable oil that's heated up to 375 degrees. Now I made a mistake here when I added this many pickles at one time. When I did this, they all kind of congealed together and didn't come out like I wanted to. So I started a new batch and added them one at a time, and they came out 10 times better. You can see they got these little tentacle-y things here that actually added some good flavor and texture to the pickles. Now here are these pickles after they've been frying for a little bit, and you can see once we flip these, they're a nice golden brown. So after these get some nice coloring, we're ready to plate. So we're just going to add a mound of these pickles to a plate and finish with a little sauce. Here I used a chipotle ranch with a little bit of that cayenne hot sauce mixed in. So this is a super easy recipe. I hope you guys try out. You probably have all these ingredients at home. If you do try this out, leave a comment on the video and let me know how it went. And please like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Thanks for watching, YouTube.